Charlie Bucket thought the same, but he only gets a chocolate once a year, and that too on his birthday. But recently, a factory has been opened of chocolate, but it wasn't an ordinary. It was the biggest, most best selling chocolate factory on this planet, Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. And to enter it, you needed to get a golden ticket, and that would be found in chocolate. But the chocolates, as you know, Charlie will only get one chocolate once a year, so that is quite impossible. But will there be a chance? You will have